Welcome to the fascinating world of biomechanics. In this video, we'll explore how biomechanists study the movement of the human body. Biomechanics is the science that applies the principles of mechanics to understand how our bodies move, function, and interact with the environment. From athletes perfecting their performance to doctors analyzing gait abnormalities, biomechanists tackle a wide range of problems. They ask questions like, how can we improve movement efficiency? What causes injuries during physical activity? And how can we design better prosthetics or sports equipment? By observing, measuring, and analyzing human movement, biomechanists provide valuable insights that benefit health, sports, and rehabilitation. Let's dive deeper into the tools and concepts they use to analyze motion. Analyze human movement accurately. Biomechanists use spatial reference systems. These systems provide a standardized way to describe the position and motion of body parts. The most common system is the Cartesian coordinate system, which uses x, y, and sometimes z axes to pinpoint locations in space. For example, when analyzing a runner's stride, the position of the hip joint can be measured along the x and y axes in 2 dimensions. For more complex movements like a gymnast's flip, the z-axis is added for 3-dimensional analysis. By using these reference systems, biomechanists can quantify movement, compare performances, and identify areas for improvement or risk of injury. Let's look at how these coordinates appear in practice. The Cartesian coordinate system. Coordinates can be both positive and negative. This means that the position of a joint or body part can be located in any quadrant of the reference system, depending on its direction from the origin point. For example, if the hip moves to the left of the origin, its x-coordinate becomes negative. If it moves upwards, the y-coordinate is positive. Understanding this allows biomechanists to accurately track and analyze complex movements in all directions. By mapping these positions, they can visualize motion paths, detect asymmetries, and provide feedback for performance enhancement or injury prevention. This foundational knowledge is crucial for anyone studying or working in biomechanics.